Hello folks, I'm L.A. Little and this is today's short take. Before I get started, let me wish you all a happy holidays for you, your family, your friends, and hope all is well in your home and your life. As far as the markets here, I was noticing today, on TA Today, every day I get up and one of the first things I do is I look through this trading signals, and it shows me anything that is moving or is about to move, up or down, and that has the characteristics that potentially make it great. And so what I did is I popped in and I saw a particular symbol called NAT, which is a shipper. So I popped over into sector trends, I put that in and put it in here, submitted it, and it pulls up all the shippers so that I can see them. Now some of these you can see are still bearish, and a lot of them actually, but if I flip down you can see some of these starting to change. Like here's a couple that are, let's get this over here so I can look. Here's a couple that are going suspect bullish. So this one has changed, has turned. If I look at another one that's suspect, Diana container ships, you can see it's turning. It has a nice little pattern going on. Realize that these stocks though have had a huge downturn. So to bounce here means nothing. What you really want to do is you want to see one that has bounced and is showing you strength on that bounce. So if I quickly just keep going down the list here, TNK, that one actually got hit, so I'm probably not interested in that. NAT is the one that actually alarmed this morning. You can see a nice push up here. Let's see what the monthly looks like on it. And here you've got kind of the pattern of a bottom. This is on the monthly time frame. And what you're looking for, and at least what I'm looking for, is I want to see volume pushing up. And we don't have much here. We had some volume push back down, so it's a little bit of a question mark. But here was a test of this swing point low, and I'm looking at this particular bar, and the test here gets under it, back over it. That's a sign of a turn, has less volume. That's a good sign. So I've got a swing point high here, another swing point high here, and I'm looking back to see the retest region is going to be here. So actually it's way up here, the last one. So it's got a long way to go. I like the way this one's turning. So NAT actually is a nice signal, and that's why it gave me a signal this morning. But I can keep going through the list. Let's just pop through a couple more while we're here. So that was NAT, SFL, which is ship finance. These guys finances. That one doesn't look very good. That's on a bearish. Here's global ship lease. Not too bad. You'd have to look at the longer term ones, but you get the picture. The picture is that some of these stocks in this group starting to turn. These are guys that are moving stuff around the world. Now the question is either do they have an advantage on the rest, or is the whole group as a whole moving, turning? I don't think the whole group's moving yet or turning yet. But there's certainly some stocks inside the group that are in better positions than others. Here's one more idea before I leave, G-Log. This one actually is a long-term winner and a very different picture than most. And it itself is trying to put in a bottom too. Okay, well, hope that helps. Have a great holiday. Take care.